Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over the COUNTIFS function, where you can count up how many instances you have based on multiple criteria in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we should be able to count how many apples we have over here in column A that have been delivered in column B. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I go into cell D2 and I type equals count IF with an S on the end, the S on the end here, as well as on the end of some other functions like SUMIFs, allows you to use more than one criteria when you are counting or summing. So if I put a left parenthesis right here, I can see that I'm going to have a criteria range 1. And where is the first range where I would like to specify some criteria? So that's going to be column A. I'm just going to highlight column A and then type a comma. And then my next argument is, what do I want the criteria to be? Well, in this case, in double quotes, I'm going to type apples. And then I'm going to type a comma. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now, my next argument is, where's the second criteria that I would like to specify here? So I'm going to highlight column B for that one, and then I'm going to type a comma. And then the status I want here in double quotes is going to be delivered. End my double quotes, and then I'm going to end my parentheses and hit enter. And I can see that I'm being returned with a 2. And if I look over here, I can see that I have delivered apples here, and I have delivered apples here. And I don't have any other delivered apples in my data set. So I do have 2, and I'm getting a match right here in D2 with a count of 2. So there's a lot more you can do with COUNTIFS and also with COUNTIF, and we go over that a little bit more out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.